Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you what's inside the box of your Corsair gaming mouse M65 RGB Ultra. So as you guys can see, we got the box right here. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take everything out one by one, and then I'm gonna just remove the box and talk about it. So here we have the cable for the mouse. So the mouse is packaged right here. We can just pull it out, and here we got the mouse itself. Now let me quickly pull it to the side, and let me also pull the box. So of course this is not the only thing. We also got the information. Here we get this information, and we also get the safety information. So here we have the safety information, and also let me just put the box away. We get the mouse itself. So here we have the mouse. Now of course it is wired, and the mouse itself, as you guys can see, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 buttons that you can easily use, and of course you can program them to yourself. And the mouse itself actually has the range of the DPI up to 26,000, and of course mine came in black, and this sensor is optical. So this is what you get in the box, and that's basically it for the video. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.